Divorce doesn't make her worthless. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Green Diamond, where we talk about faith, finance, and freedom. Islam doesn't shame divorced women. It protects them. Let that sink in. If you've been made to feel like your worth ended with your marriage, this message is for you. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we share 2 videos, practical tips and spiritual reminders to protect your rizq. Segment 1. Dignity in the eyes of Allah. In Islam, a woman's dignity is not tied to her marital status. Not as a daughter, not as a wife, and certainly not as a divorcee. The Prophet married divorced women. Khadija was a widow, Hafsa was divorced. Were they any less honored? No, they were mothers of the believers. That's how Islam sees you, with honor, not shame. Segment 2. Iddah is not isolation, it's protection. Let's talk about Iddah. It's not a punishment, it's a pause. A sacred time for healing, reflection, and ensuring clarity, especially if there's a pregnancy. During this period, the woman is still entitled to housing and financial support. Yes, even after divorce, the man is responsible for her maintenance during Iddah. That's not abandonment, that's accountability. Allah says in Surah Al-Talaq, lodge them of where you dwell, and do not harm them to oppress them. 65-6. Segment 3. Financial rights after divorce. Islam doesn't just say, be kind, it enforces rights. A divorced woman has the right to 1. Nafaka, maintenance during Iddah. 2. Mutar, a parting gift, especially if the divorce was not her fault. 3. Fair treatment, no slander, no humiliation. This is not charity, it's justice, and it's fard, obligatory. No one should guilt her for claiming what Allah has already given her. Segment 4. Remarriage is not a taboo. Let's break another myth. A divorced woman is not damaged goods. She is not used. She is free to remarry, free to rebuild, free to choose again, with wisdom, strength, and dignity. The Prophet encouraged marriage for widows and divorcees. He never said, stay single to prove your piety. He said, marriage is my sunnah, and that sunnah includes you. Segment 5. You are not a failure. Divorce is not the end of your story. It's the end of a chapter. And sometimes, the next chapter is where your real strength begins. You are not broken. You are not worthless. You are a believer, and Allah sees your tears, your patience, your dignity. He is Al-Adl, the most just. He is Al-Latif, the most gentle. And he is never far from the heart that turns to him. To every sister who's been shamed, silenced, or sidelined, stand tall. Your worth is not up for debate. It was written by the one who created you. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Follow Green Diamond for more reminders that restore your worth. And remember, divorce doesn't make her worthless. It makes her wiser.